Hello YouTube, welcome back to another Doors of Doubles video. Today, speed, and we've got this ramp. You saw it in the last video. It's rubbish. We need to you saw it didn't work. I did say I was going to try and fix it, but we're just going to destroy it. So, that's it. We're going to do that now. So I've just finished doing that landing now, and we're gonna move on to something else right now. So I've decided we're gonna move on, and we're gonna do some riding today. We're gonna do this jump. Hasn't been ridden yet with the new landing, and that jump over there. So we're gonna do some riding like that. So that's what you're gonna see now. Okay, before we get into riding, I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of my bike, the dirt jump bike, custom built. We call it the Frankenstein. It's bit of everything. So we got the new chain tensioner. It's arrived today. Oh, it's not going to happen, is it? I'm an idiot. Well, that's going to be on there like that. Keep the chain nice and tensioned. You got lovely brakes, which are really good. Some brand new cranks around the Christmas area. Got a gusset seat. We've got the Wake bars, Wake comp series bars. We've got some DMR Death grips, and we've got some nice XC200 wheels. So that's pretty much my bike.
What the forks are?
What are we talking about? Oh, and the forks, we've just got some standard jump bike forks. Oh shit! Oh, stop! Okay, we're going to move on from here. We've sort of done what we can do. The ramps are a bit soggy and stuff, so we can't ride them. And so we're going to move on. We're going to go and play a game of bike in the street. So yeah. For the first segment of the game of bike, we're going to be riding down here. If you get down there now.
Ow!
That bit there.
This bit right here, smooth.
Where there's already time marks, we're going to be dropping.
Alright, it's Ted. Felix.
Easy.
Yeah. Alright, how is that?
That's insane. So, I'm going to move on to the next segment of this bit. It's the same area. It's going to be down this bit here. So you've got to go down there, drop on. We'll move that little rock there.
Why move that now?
We'll move that to be like that. So we can sort of.
Is that going to be a sort of landing?
Be dreams. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so the bit we just said we were going to do, we are not doing that. It's just, it's unrealistic. We go straight over the bars and our face will be on the ground here.
Who wants to wear a full face helmet and do it?
Let's not do that.
Do you want it?
And let's move on to this bit. Let's move on to this bit right here.
Oh, yeah, that's not as bad. You won't like
Which
face
is
plant.
just as bad-ish.
But
But
it's
it's
not.
sort of, there's not like a track
Cliff.
where the track is.
It's not a cliff.
So we're going to ride down this bit.
Guys, look in the shadow. You can see the
Right,
tripod.
ready?
See, there you go. That's the tripod and camera there. Ted's dropping.
Dog.
He's a dog.
Oh!
And
Well, Harry, you can go next.
there's Harry. You've done
This
it.
bit, nope.
I think
There.
there goes Harry. And here goes Felix.
Oh, God.
Turn to, yeah, this bit. No, you went down wrong bit.
Oh.
You went down this bit.
Wow, how was it?
That was pretty scary. But no one's got a letter yet, so.
Oh, wait. I got a good one.
Ted's coming.
There. You like whip it.
No,
I'll
no,
set
no.
one.
Because I can't do that. Because I'm on
Or
this
just
bike.
jump it then. Just try jump it then. And sort of try flicking it.
I'll set
If I
one.
do it, I'll do it on that bike.
Half.
Alright, so
Ooh.
send that I think or something like that. I don't know.
Right, so for my set, is that gonna stay there?
Probably.
Yeah. Right, we're gonna go down here. You're going to be going quick. And then you come over this bit. Straight into the creek. Straight in. Just, that's what I'm doing. You don't have to pedal. Well, you do a couple of times, but...
So slow, very slow. Felix coming in, sending it fully. Very fast.
Dropping in.
Harry sending it. Oh, he just went in the deep bit.
want to get soaked.
Ted.
I didn't want to get sick.
Nah, I can see what you mean. Not getting soaked, it's fine.
Yeah, I want to keep all my toes.
You want to keep all your toes.
You're not doing that?
He's not doing it. Are you doing it?
Yeah. Oh, you're doing it. You said you don't want to move your
Alright, Harry, watch out.
you got should I do it or should I?
I'm debating whether I'm going to get trenched first. Oh shit.
He went on the deep bit. Alright, Harry. Give him a bike still. You doing that?
Yeah, well, no one's got a lefty yet.
I thought that they weren't going to do it because you'd get soaked from it, but they did. So.
Ted, not they.
No, all of them. They all did it, didn't they?
Oh, I thought you were gonna. Oh, okay, alright.
Not scared to get wet. For the
Next
next
bit.
little section, we're gonna set a game, a little area, which is gonna be much more challenging
Safety.
and
Safety is #1 priority.
difficult. So we are going to be going down the steepest part we can find, which is reasonable. And
Alright.
okay, so we're going to be gliding down this bit right here
With the rocks?
with the rocks.
Or in the middle, like
We've got
over
rocks
there.
and stuff, so it's going to be. Oh, we're probably all going to come off somewhere around here. And then easy. Straight into
This is what it looks like from up here.
You're going to have so much speed.
You might
Go into the water.
you might change your minds by the way from looking down at it.
No, come up here. I don't
Alright.
know if to drop in there.
I don't know. Well,
Drop into that little dip there. That's probably the safest spot.
Here, somewhere like.
Yeah.
Oh, holy.
you don't have to do it very fast. Alright.
That was scary.
You can drop it as slow as that, I
I
guess.
don't want to do it.
You won't go quite slowly.
Whoa.
Oh.
Back wheel left. Oh my
Felix, lean back.
No, you don't have to do it if you don't want.
Lean back
I
a
guess.
little bit, not too much, otherwise you're going to flip out.
Well, you might get a letter.
Nice.
I don't. What is it called? A letter, or is it? What is it?
Lesbian?
Yeah, a letter. Do you want to take
But
a letter?
You want to lean back a tiny
Oh, yes,
bit,
bike.
not too much, tiny bit. And push down on the handlebar.
No
No,
one's.
wait, do you want to drop in on here?
Just think of Freya.
No one.
Imagine she's in a fire, you've got to save her, and that's the only way.
Right, Felix,
Make sure that bit's in the video.
Yeah, it's recording the whole time.
come down this bit, which is way more scary.
Alright.
That's more rocky than this. This ain't got barely any rocks. I can move this one if you want. You say there's like 0 chance of you actually hitting a rock. Pretty much.
Alright, come on. Let's go through. Go on, then, Felix.
Get out of his way
You
then.
sent the creek jump, and that was more sketchy than this.
What jump?
The creek jump at the ramp.
Alright, we're done, everyone.
We've got to do that for like.
How is that, guys? What could you guys think about that jump? That one, then?
Who's good
Scary.
at who's good at
Very
balancing
scary.
on the tight
Felix,
thing? About
What do you
that
think?
thing? Who's good at balancing?
What do you
on
think
so
about
tight?
that?
Sketchy.
Ted?
Yeah, right.
It's alright.
Or Harry,
Right. About riding that.
or put your bike on it first.
Bear in mind how thin that is. There's my hand, for
It would be
instance.
quite easy to bail though, if you think about it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, well, you're saying that. You're not the one riding it.
One goes one way, one the other way, that's it.
Oh yeah, fair.
Now, let's not do that.
Now
'cause
you
that's-
need
Yeah.
to do the whip there.
Why
Just
would
do
we-
the whip on that bit.
Let's do this bit right here.
Alright. Harry's the first one sending. Just you can't see anything. It looks like it.
It's Harry, then Ted,
Alright, here you
and then Felix.
go. Alright, you know where it is. Well done.
I can't even stop.
Oh, crap. Alright.
Alright, Felix is on B.
So Felix on B. I can't whip. You're on B. So,
Felix
must
is on
be a
B,
bit
and
stupid.
Ted and Harry are on.
it's because I can't whip.
Boys, we're going for lunch. I'm the cameraman. This is what someone's cameraman looks like on YouTube. I think it's his favorite YouTuber. Yeah, Matt Jones. This is kind of the hat he wears. Ben.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go and have lunch and then we'll be back on the
No, we're
recording.
gonna do this first.
Oh wait, what?
We're doing this first. We're doing this one first.
Oh wait,
We're doing
okay.
that one first.
Alright, hang on, let me flip the
No.
camera.
Just about to drop it.
Watch out, Jane. Are they dropping down there, I think? You see. There you go. Alright, anyone else doing it? Felix?
Where is it?
Just drop down the muddy bit. Like that. And Ted, finally. There you go. Well done, everyone. That wasn't that bad, actually. I don't think. Well, it didn't look that bad, but go on, do a cheeky wheelie. Oh, hello. Wheelies! Wheelie transition.
Yo, so we're going for lunch now, so we'll see you in a bit.
Harry is dropping. Clear. Easy. Clear.
That's actually really fun.
And now Felix is dropping. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Alright. Yeah, you hit the back. Alright, Ted's done. And Felix is dropping again. There you go. Alright guys, we're gonna go and do the stairs. Around the back. Yeah, it'll be great. It'll be great fun, says Jaden. He doesn't even know what they look like. He's not riding it. Okay. I think everyone else is. I'm not. Well, I mean, I'm walking. So, all right. Here's everyone. All right. How is everyone feeling? You're doing that. Sorry, I'm gonna get the tripod out now. All right. Who's going next? All right. Please drop in.
Wait, did I do it on the spot last time?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Just hurry up. Drop in now, quick.
All right. Easy. All right. We're going to. All right. We're gonna get out of here.
Can you take him up on?
All right. Bye.
The next obstacle is going to be a really skinny area over there. So you'll see
I
that
think
now.
Harry's just found his happy place. Look. And as you can see,
Oh no, I didn't know there was rocks. We're going to literally feel...
Jesus.
Oh.
Look how steep it is.
Guys, we're going to build a massive lift in here. We'll build a fat lift.
It's like a
Pretty, get here now.
I'm recording.
Let me speak soon. Yo guys, so.
Oh no. Yeah, guys, beat Ted. Don't just stop beating. I'm trying to left.
So boys, we're at the ramps. Yeah.
Look at this, new one we built. It's the most recent.
Look, there's the cameraman Fred. This is me. Oh, pause camera.
Into here. Right? And then just
No, stop, you knob cheese.
land down on here. We can run flares.
Stop. Don't take.
Okay, so I've got a situation. Pretty much. I don't know how fast to go. I don't know any of the sort of geometry. I've never seen anyone do it. I'm probably going to be the only one that ever does it. So, I don't know if you can see. I can come up here and I could land where Jaden is. At the front. And I could land like right at the
You
back.
can't see Jaden.
I don't know. I don't know how fast to go. So, I'm going to go slow for the first round. And I'm going to roll up to it a couple more times.
5'9".
And then...
You still can't see.
Check if it's...
Yep.
Just testing out this new little bit here.
Perfect.
Better.
What was that? I thought you were going to jump.
The gravel bit's better.
Yeah.
Do you want to put a little bit more? What the fuck am I supposed to say?
Because what I don't want to do is go straight around.
Oh my days, you need to stop rolling your
Now, Freddie, let me have your gloves.
Oh, kerfuffle. He kerfuffled his penis.
Are we still doing bites? So basically, they're riding down that, and Harry just did it. And
Getting a feel for the landing.
Yeah, don't.
Harry, go back. You're not in shot. Okay. Anyway, Ted.
Up a bit. Oh, you sending it?
Oh shit, oh!
Oh, let's go.
Scary, isn't it?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Feels like you're about to skid off.
Yeah. Recording.
He's going. He's dropping. Ted, get out of the way.
What? It just started?
Yeah, because we've got this.
Oh, shit. I thought that was like some sort of wizardry.
All right. Fee, watch out. Shoot that log. Gotta make sure nothing pushes this. No.
Wait, Freddie, can I be in charge of the
He's dropping, he's dropping. He's doing it.
More flow than a brightest day.
There is the big man.
Send it.
Watch out. Watch out.
Didn't mean to.
If you fall off,
Yo, you Karen,
if
bro.
you fall off, I'll buy you that mountain bike. If you fall off, I'll give you that tool. No, because then you'll fall off on purpose. I'm not going to purpose if you fall off. I can read my face.
Alright, boys, out of the way.
No. Whoa.
I can't promise anything.
Oh, there we go.
Is Jaden riding? Ooh. Might slip out. There they go. And they're off. Alright, bit of camera. He didn't break the whole way down, apparently. Alright, we're gonna meet them at the bottom then. Alright.
Okay, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a bit of a mix and match, a tiny bit of game fight. We didn't really work that out. And I think tomorrow's video, you'll see the rest of that game of bike, where we'll probably do it properly. This video is just a bit of everything. We've got that jump in the woods, a bit of
Jumps over
ramping,
there. Somewhere.
loads of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.